Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change language in Google Docs on computer. So how to change language in Google Docs on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Docs on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Docs work page. To do this, just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap this File menu. Here there are several menu options. Tap the Language menu. And it will appear like this. Here there are many language options from various countries. Scroll for more language options. This feature allows users to change the language in Google Docs on their computer to adjust spelling, grammar, and other tools according to their preferences. So that's it, tutorial how to change language in Google Docs on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.